Hello, hello guys. Oh, not this. Hello guys, welcome back with me Sultan again. Now this is a second video. I'm gonna tell you all again the tutorial how to connect to the internet using MikroTik again. But this time, I'm gonna expand the thing I'm gonna say. So just like the usual, let's go back to our box. And basically, just let's go to the system. After that, we go to reset configuration. I'm gonna say it again. Why we need to reset our configuration? Because we need start to from bottom again. We need start from bottom. And like our configuration before, we need to reset it all because maybe it's wrong IP, wrong address, maybe like that. So we need to start from bottom again. So because we need to start fresh. Okay. Now default configuration. Go to reset configuration button. You want to set your configuration, and yes. And now I'm gonna make this video 20 minutes long. Why? Because my assignment say to do this. So from previous previous video, I still not gonna delete it, but I am get a new one. Now we wait. We are setting one. Nice. Now, first we need go to the wireless, and we gonna need to. This is wireless and one is disabled. We need to enable this. If you asking me what is wireless, it will say me like wireless connection. It's like if you want to connect from one computer to you maybe need LAN cable or Ethernet cable to connect it assembly. Yeah. But from now technology, its name is wireless. That's the indicated wireless connection. So just like Bluetooth is wireless connection, Wi-Fi now is wireless. Almost Wi-Fi and internet using wireless, but on to the server we still need the cables. Now after we enable this wireless setting, we need go to IP and go to the address. And before I'm gonna make my own address, I'm gonna tell you what is IP address. So basically, wait a minute. I'm gonna go something. Nice. This empty. I'm gonna go. IP address is like. Nah, no this. It's like our home. Our home. IP yes. Just IP address is like our home address. If the data is packaging like this data, we just assume we buy something from the Amazon. Just using our address as to make this packaging or the delivery guy. Now we have to send us the package. But if we don't have this address, IP address, the data will not start to sending. The data will gonna be confused. Where is our addresses? So where the package is gonna go? So the package will not go to our home. It's gonna be back to where it's become. So that's why IP address between the computers is very important. There is two type of IP address. First is private IP address, and second is a public IP address. Between these two, private IP address, if you use IP address, it's free. But if we using the public IP address, we need to pay some money to connect. And some of them, baby, public IP address is the internet. Nah, okay, back to the video. Now we need to give our Winbox the address. It need to be private address. You can go with 10, 10, 10, but it's too basic. I'm gonna using 192, 168, 17, and 1. Don't forget, you need to give it /24. And on the interface, we need to setting it to Ethersu. Why we need to setting the interface to Ethersu? Because this is my router. On now, I'm connecting my computer to router using Ethersu slot. You can use Ether 3, 4, or 1. If you what happened? Just that. If you using connecting to routers on this slot, wow. Okay, back. Okay, that's my pen. Okay. 192, 17, 1/4. So let's go. After that, we can click apply and okay. Now we have our Winbox address. And now for the next step, we go to our search bar and we go to command prompt or CMD. We're gonna try to ping our Winbox 192. Okay, like this. Ping. Nah, ini okay, let's see what is pinging. Because why? Oh, yes, I know why. Okay, back to search bar. Go to view network or connection. If you still don't have this, just click this view network and connection. It's gonna pop out. Just click it. Go to the internet, but remember, every computer is different. Some of the computers not saying Ethernet, but LAN connection. So, but my computer say Ethernet. I'm gonna go there. Let's go to the Ethernet. Go to properties. Search for Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. Go click this. Nice. Now we gonna use following IP address. We need to give our computers their own address. But I'm gonna make it simple. It needs to be private also. Make simple. I'm gonna make it similar to my Winbox IP address, but it's a bit different. I will make this. Okay, 17. And for the last thing, it's gonna be soup. It's very simple. On subnet mask, it's gonna automatically fill out. That is nice. Automatic. After that, on default gateway, I'm gonna insert our Winbox IP connection. IP address. Sorry. 7 and on dapat di address apa? We're gonna using a Google IP address. Google IP address is 8. On alternative is 8, 4, and 4. After that, we need to okay to setting. Okay again. Just close up this. Let's try to our command prompt again. Oh my thought. Just pick 1 and 8. 7 and 1. Nice. We are now have the connection replaying from our Winbox. After that, what we're gonna do? Back to our Winbox. Go back to wireless connection. Let's go to security profiles. We need to make our own profiles to able to give us some identity. On names, let me think. Oh yes, I'm gonna name my security provide is Kaku Ranger. If you heard about, you never heard of Kaku Ranger, it's okay. But if you heard name of Kaku Rangers, you are my best friend. Now on move, let's turn it to dynamic keys. How to large types, just click where this. Now, this thing is turned left, you see? Is the Wi-Fi password we need to insert. Oh, I forget. I'm gonna turn on my. Oh yes, I forget. Sorry, I need to turn off my Wi-Fi. Nah, this is like just thing is connecting to it, connecting, but it's not have any internet. It is saying internet access, but it still not have internet access. I'm gonna turn on my phone hotspot. Okay. I'm gonna insert my password is my family. Oh, Pokemon in the best Pokemon I ever seen in this world. Okay, and that when this also hit the password, my very lovely Pokemon in the best Pokemon I ever seen in this world. Just gonna apply. After that, just click OK. After we doing this, we need go to our Wi-Fi interface. Click it. Double click on where I am or wireless connection. Click it. Now we are on wireless setting. The security purpose we need to change to our profile Kaku Ranger. Then after that we click scan for the internet Wi-Fi. On interface is default where I want. Just gonna click start. Let wait. This is the password. Click it and connect. Now if you see now, the SSID is now my phone Wi-Fi hotspot connection. My hotspot Wi-Fi. You're gonna apply and OK. Now we still not have the internet. After that, we need to go to IP to the HTTP client. What is the HTTP client? If you ask me, I'm gonna give you some. Now, okay, see, now is not have any internet. I'm gonna tell you what is the HTTP client. Not so specific. If I say, what is this? Just like this, yes. Now we add the HTTP client. We are client. We request to our friend is the HTTP server to give us the IP, my IP. So after that, we can connect to our wireless connection. This the HTTP server gonna give us the IP, so we can connect start to bone. Okay, just like this. This is very simple. If I want, I'll play slowly because I'm still a beginner. I'm just in what I heard and I understand, but not really understand. Good. That's it. Yeah, to plus. Just click add. On the interface, okay, I am on default is just at one on, but now on the interface we're gonna change it to where I want. But then just click apply and okay. Now if we like, now we are connect to bound to my hotspot. It's like this. Now if you see, it's being one device connected to my phone because we are now bound. But still, let's go to new terminal. Just F, just N, Control C. Now that's typing to Google. Ping 888. Enter. Now we have the connection from Google Ping. After that, just click it. Say to ping to YouTube.com. We have the ping. Wow, it's my back. Okay, stop. But it's different from the comment prompt. Yes, if you see the comment prompt, if we ping Google enter. Okay, we are pinging. Look at this. This is request timeout. Right? Let's see to this. We still don't have the internet connection access. If you don't believe, let's try again. Let's typing YouTube. Let's go try. Let's go try to ping YouTube. Yeah, loading. Loading. Because it's not gonna find. Let's check the name again. The name is right, but we don't have connection to the internet. If you say why we don't have the connection, because first one is firewall. We need to setting our firewall net to able to connect to the internet. Let's go back to this one box. Go to IP and go to firewall. Before we continue, I'm gonna tell you what is a firewall. You see, okay? I'm gonna do new. Wait a minute. Okay, the internet. Now, look at this drawing. What is the form? This is firewall. What is a firewall? So if you look at this maybe some server, my PC, website, and my client, my friend PC or computer need to through the firewall to able to connect to the internet. The firewall is like the antibiotic. Just maybe simple thing is more security to prevent any virus to the internet. It's very dangerous if we have a virus go to the internet and gonna infect other server and PC, and maybe the firewall had more function from this, but this is what I know, what I want to say to you. Virus. That's why we need to what is we need firewall and what is firewall. Now we are gonna set this back to the video. We're gonna plus the app. The chain we still on scratch. Don't change it. Go to interface and just well and one. Then we go to action. From action, don't use accept, but masquerade. After that, we click apply and okay. Now we wait. Now, if I am right, we are now connected to the internet. Why I still not connected to the internet? I'm sure it's there. Oh, wait. Look! The logo is changed. Now, I have internet access. I'm not turned off my laptop Wi-Fi. But don't start. I don't know how to set. We need to check. Let's go back to our comment room. Let's say ping and ping Google. You can ping google.com or like this. The ID is okay. Just enter. Look. Now we have the reply from the Google's IP. Let's say now ping YouTube.com. Now we have the connection to YouTube. Now when I go to our browser, I'm gonna go to my Firefox. I'm gonna type my profile name Kakuenja. Nah, do you see this? This is my favorite Super Sentai heroes. It's Kakuenja. It's very odd, but I know all the origins of the Kakuenjas. Like this Sasuke, Randy's, Hime. Yeah, I love Super Ninja Sentai Kakuenja. What's this, my god? Now we are connected. Now we try to YouTube. Nice. Now, look this. I am finally connected to YouTube without activating my Wi-Fi from laptop. Let's say, okay, just maybe this enough. Okay, let's go back to. Okay, thank you guys for listening me again for the second video. And now, yeah, this is maybe too long, too much explanation today. Why I need to explain what is IP address, what is the HTTP client, what is firewall. Because I need to make sure you all know what we gonna do, what we gonna connect it. I'm sorry if it's too long the video, not to on the point, to the point, not to the point, just gonna say. I'm very sorry. Also sorry if I speak wrong because I'm studying on English, but I have a guts or I'm back to saying it. I'm very thank you for your listening me and watching my tutorial. Let's see each other next time. Okay, see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again, guys, tomorrow and not tomorrow. Okay, goodbye.